How to hard reset Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro XL.
Step 1. First, power down your Google Pixel 10 using the power key to initiate the procedure.
Step 2. Next, simultaneously press and hold the power button along with the volume down button to enter advanced boot options.
Step 3. Once the fast boot mode screen appears, utilize the volume rocker to navigate through the menu and the power key to select the recovery mode choice.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.